the center. This afternoon, we saw just a few patches of storm clouds developing over the northern, central, and southeastern parts of the country, but the clouds still managed to give us fairly active thunderstorms that are pushing through the northwest and the Gauteng province. Over the western and southern sections, we are looking at this thick layer of high-level cloud that is moving through these parts of the country. Then further west, we have this cold front that is driving rain clouds into the southwest coastline, where we already have light rain and drizzle going on in places. Now, tonight we are going to see this cold front hitting our shores and maintaining light rain along the southwest coastline and spreading the wet weather into the south coast. Further east, we have another cold front affecting the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Isolated thundershowers are forecast this evening from the northwest through the Free State down into southeastern South Africa. It's going to be mostly fine for the northeastern areas as well as across the western interior. Pretty unsettled weather is forecast for your Thursday across the bulk of the country. Thunderstorms for much of the interior and rainy weather is going to persist for the south and the east coast. It's going to be mostly sunny for the westernmost parts of South Africa. Now, tonight you can expect between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers in the areas you see the light shades of blue across the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, the Eastern Cape, and the southern parts of the Western Cape. Scattered thunderstorms are possible along the east coast and the adjacent interior where you see that dark shade of blue. It's going to be rather warm tonight across the KZN coastal areas, with minimums dropping to 22 degrees for Durban and Richards Bay. Cooler over the northeastern areas, Pretoria and Mahikeng seeing minimums of around 17 degrees, 15 for Bloemfontein. Much cooler for the southern interior, where low temperatures in the lower teens are expected for Bishop, Graafrenet, George, as well as Cape Town. It's going to be chilly for Sutherland with a minimum of around 5 degrees. We are expecting a rather chilly day on Thursday for the Eastern Cape, where temperatures in the mid to upper teens are forecast in the afternoon. We are also going to see a cooling over the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal, Durban managing a high of 23. It's going to stay hot for the northeastern areas, Pretoria and Mahikeng peaking at 30 degrees, 35 for the high in Appington. Cape Town should warm to around 22 degrees. Looking ahead to your Friday, it's going to be rainy along the south coast as well as parts of the east coast, and thunderstorms are forecast across much of the interior. Then on Saturday, we are going to see unsettled weather across the whole country.